What's up, Cutout Technical? I'm back again with another video today. I have a case that I picked up off of Amazon for my LG Velvet. Yes, this is an old device, but I still want to keep it nice and protected. So pretty much this case is from, this is a ZaGG. This is the ZaGG Gear 4 case. You can pick this up off of Amazon for $5.99 plus tax. I will leave a link in the description, but pretty much this is what you get on the back. It's 3 feet drop protection, slim. You get a slim design, you get corner protection, wireless charging capability. This says this is for sports, motorcyclers, industrial, military, and electronics. Gear4.com, but this is from ZaGG, company ZaGG. They make this case, and it's called the Gear 4. This is for the LG Velvet. As you can see, this is the smoke gray color. This is treated with antibacterial technology, so that is good. So pretty much we're just going to unbox it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on my device. So this is what you get. This is the case here. It's not hard at all. This is soft, like rubber feeling. I thought it was a hard case, but it's like a gel skin case. It's a one-part case. So at the top you get a you get two black layers at the bottom and a lighter layer in the middle. And this is what it looks like. So like I said, it's a gel case, so you can bend it. And I'm just gonna pick up my LG Velvet, and we're gonna place it in like so. I ordered this case because I needed a case for my LG Velvet so I can keep it protected. Like I said, it may be old, but I still want to treat it like it's new, like it's a brand new phone. I don't want it to get damaged. So this is what you will get. This is what it looked like on your LG Velvet. So let me go over some of the cutouts. So you do not get a lot of lip because the LG Velvet is a curved display. So you don't get a lot of lip. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should be okay. But like I say, you should always have you a tempered glass or a screen protector if you are worried about getting scratches, because like I said, this, if it's snug but it's not, you don't really get any good lip around there, but you do get your power button. It's nice, clicky, not too hard. At the bottom here you get your cutouts, cutout for your microphone, your USB, your speaker. Then you get your volume up and down button, nice and clicky, kind of tough but not too bad. Then you also get your assistant button, which I'm not going to use that. And then you get a nice edge, nice edge protection, so if your phone drops like this flat on the table, you are good to go. And on the back here you do get a nice deep cutout for your cameras. Up here it says Gear 4. But this is a nice looking case, a nice look. It looks good, it feels good in the hand. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.